Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I am fine. Thank you very much. My channel is Total Digital Marketing and Search Engine Optimization. Total guideline, step by step, my videos. My class and my tutorial, my videos, presentation, short time, very important points and presentation, present my videos and my class, my lecture. My tutorial. Thank you, my friend. Some information and what is SEO in digital marketing. Digital marketing very important part of this source. What is in SEO in digital marketing? SEO digital marketing is a strategy that the forecast on your website present in search result on search engine like Google, Yahoo, Bing, etc, etc. Lot of search engine, my videos, search engine type of lot of search engines, my videos available. Eat in boys use the various techniques to improve your website, to help both search engine and consumer better understanding your website, your web page, etc, etc. How does search engine optimization in digital marketing work? Very important topics. SEO in digital marketing work. Now that you know that answer to question what is search engine optimization in digital marketing, let's go over how it works. When you improve an search engine optimization strategy, you optimize website web page to shows up in the search engine result page for keywords and process related your business, the submitted URL, Google and search engine optimization SEO so that can show up in it SERPs. The best keyword are that word and the process you targeted audience, targeted people, targeted customer, search for online. If you, for example, if your business sells running snake, your audience may search using keyword and running your related your niche keyword and the barriers. Search engine like to provide the best experience their user, which is why they have hundreds of ranking factors that the dynamic your that SERPs search engine want to show user the best website in the result to provide them with your information they needed. When search engine optimization with SEO, you'll implement techniques that improve your website use experience to each that you website given your audience answer and question and SEO techniques including improve your responsive design to make website friendly or mobile user, improve your website navigator and easy to can easily navigate your sites, create custom content has answer use the question in striking keyword and phrases throws your site page and content and many more. When you improve a search engine optimization strategy, your improvement will send positive signal to search engine. There are websites values to use. As a result, search engine will rank and your hang that is SERPs. achieve top sport their search engine the because 75% and don't like this first and page result. How do search engine work? The search engine optimization work, the formatting, it is key understanding by SERPs, show cross creating page over others. The search engine optimization, the search engine are inaccurate and system that they study. All the website shows there are enclave organization that is on you. Shows how those search engine in Google, Bing, Yahoo, Baidu, etc. lot of search engine. But top search engine number one Google, Bing and Yahoo, Baidu. Designed search in immediate amount of data. Search engine optimization, their step and in indexing, crowd indexing and ranking to yield the strongest. There are automatic and search result led by drive in the search engine result page look a SERP as the consister for paid and organic result. The paid result, the website who overpaid Google to appear the top in search result. You can identify by their the sponsor and however. After the paid yourself full organic result that make up the result, the page, the result and organic and Google packing there are the website and number of rank factors like relevance keyword and the keywords targeting user experience and many more and the crowding and indexing. Search engine use the specific both on search keyword important and the crowding and internet. They are website crowding URL and moving those and pages brought and makes and support the on top page. The search both the complete indexing there are the categories based on title, URL and text. The proof website guest and specific depends someone search related. How can match and follow like on page and etc. The ranking. There are contain the indexing the several condition of search. There are an algorithm that determined how well the match search stream at the keywords. That is the page of important relevance, the mate and visual, our standard, the page in the ranking. Do you have needed help rank on your keywords? And the choose SEO meaning the business and strategy, high volume traffic, their website and web page, greater leads and there's the difference between organic search engine and paid search engine. Why can't on search engine and including search engine optimization and there's the difference and search engine. How does digital marketing, the competitor and SEM, PPC, well complex and search engine optimization strategy, your mind come pros and search engine marketing and SME pay per click advertising and wording that is the difference from search engine versus and search engine. What is joined in SEO digital marketing? SEO digital marketing in share can help your business grow your reach and right break and benefits. Search engine and digital marketing below boost your online visibility. Search engine help you boost your online visibility and brand awareness when improve and search engine strategy for your business. And the website will the higher the search engine result, that means you are the targeted audience discover your business and online. The increase web traffic, you can more drive more traffic wide to website and increase your rank. There are the SER free as result more use visit your website web page and etc. Read can contain and create out of product the service including sales and can your business. The standard from your competitors SEO search engine optimization enable to outrank your biggest competitor in the search result. That why make boost your ability and extend your field outside your competitor and attractive new customer. Search engine optimization is the valuable strategy. There are the easy to iconic and new customer and consideration. Promote your products and service who is drive the neighbor of your business. The benefits of search engine optimization of digital marketing. The friends, very important part of what is SEO in digital marketing, and the SEO quick benefits and guidelines. What is SEO and digital marketing? Thank you. Best of luck.